Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala came a bit deeper here into this support area now. I don't think it's made a new swing low yet. It looked a bit like that, but it actually didn't. So on Thursday it made one here. No, Wednesday it was around 3.66 cents. Yeah. Here it hasn't actually done that yet. I thought earlier it might have done, but it actually didn't. So it ended a bit higher. But I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks the previous swing low here and tries to find support at 3.6 cents. Below that, I've got 3.34 cents as support left. And ideally, we are starting to slow down this downtrend and will find support in this area. Here in this area, we have really good reward to risk. From a ratio point of view, yeah, the reward to risk ratio, very favorable in this area, because if the trade or if the setup works out, we will get a third wave rally to the upside. First of all, to around 6 cents, but ultimately it should go higher. The 6 cent level is around these previous highs here that were made end of January, but it would also be an ideal target here for the third wave. There will be initial resistance here in this region around 5 cents, but ultimately it should push higher into the 6 cent region in the third wave, if it is a third wave which is going to start. But from a setup point of view, from a trade setup point of view, certainly a setup that is favorable in terms of reward versus risk, which means how much profit can be made compared to the risk unit that you have, yeah, where you set your stop loss and so on. Or at least, you know, setting a stop loss is an individual decision. It depends on so many factors, but there is no right or wrong there. But at least where it will get invalidated, right, which would be below this swing low, which was made on the 10th of March, which would be at around 2.98 cents, because that's where we have invalidation, actually 3 cents. Now, what happens if the yellow support area isn't holding below, because below the 78.6 retracement, it's most likely going to become invalidated. It's just about probabilities of outcome. Well, I've got one more bullish scenario left, as I indicated, and as long as we're holding the 2.57 cent level, we can still go higher in a third wave. We would lose one wave degree here, yeah, we would scrap all that structure here, because it would reset it if we go a bit lower. We would take this wave 2 of the 10th of the 10th of March here, and we would just reset it. If it breaks below the 78.6 retracement here at 3.35 cents, then I have to assume that the overall larger structure was an entire larger wave that consisted of a wave 1, an A wave, here a B wave of some sort, and a C wave down, or a WXY. And we just reset this wave 2, but below 2.57 cents, any upside will get very unreliable and unlikely, because it's typically that round about 90% of setups fail if the price drops and sustains below the 78.6 retracement. And giving you a micro count for here doesn't work. There's too little volume. It's not reliable. Yeah, you can see that how the candles operate. I mean, it looks to me like an ending diagonal in a C wave. Yeah, and we certainly have enough waves to call it complete or nearly complete. I mean, you could give it a go. Say, okay, we had a wave 1, 2 here. Then this was the 3. Yeah, an A, B, C, and 3. Then this could have been a 4, and now we're doing an A, B, C, and 5. So maybe one more tiny low here. All right, that's my update about Gala. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.